Something occurred to me whilst reading the comments to my Nigel Farage videos. Thank you all so much for watching those. By the way, I'll put links to them in the description below because lots of you seem to enjoy watching those. The thing that occurred to me is it possible that Nigel Farage could be at risk of being sued for defamation by Coutts Bank and NatWest? And the short answer is there is a very serious risk. Not to say that they will sue, but there is a very serious risk that the bank could sue for defamation. Why do I say that? Because if we have a very brief look at the defamation law, which in the UK tends to favour claimants, defamation is ultimately, well, it's covered within the Defamation Act of 2013, and that is that for a statement to be defamatory, it is a statement that injures the reputation of the person, or in the case of a business, has caused or is likely to cause serious harm to the reputation of the business. And in terms of a business, that means financial loss. Secondly, of course, that defamatory statement must be communicated to someone other than the claimant themselves. Identification, the statement must clearly identify or refer to the claimant, and even if not named, as long as they can be identified, then that identification portion is satisfied. Now, the bit that I'm talking about is Nigel Farage's video of where he says that the bank has been dishonest. And he put this statement in quite a forceful way. So there is, at the very least, a very real risk of a defamation lawsuit. Now, there are several defences. It's either the truth, it could be honest opinion, it could be in public interest, or some other kind of privilege defence or whatever. But to learn more about that, I'm going to shamelessly plug our new channel, Art Media Law, with myself and Alan Robertshaw. We really need to come up with a name that doesn't rhyme but insists that it does. Check out that channel, linked in the description below. We will hope to come to you tomorrow with a short, either live or premiere or something like that, to discuss this in a little bit more depth, because this is a very real, very live and interesting point. Can somebody who is just aggrieved by what's happened assert that the company behind it is being dishonest? There's a very serious risk with making that statement, very serious issues at play, all of which we will discuss for you at some point tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe to our Art Media Law channel in the description below, and we will endeavour to explain it in very much more detail. In the meantime, thank you for subscribing and your support for my channel on 320,000 subscribers, and I'll see you next time.